Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. I am in Michael's and Christmas has arrived, so you know what that means. Let's go shopping. So I just walked in and there is Christmas on this side that's all gingerbread. On the other side is a vintage collection. So we'll do those first today and then we will be coming back because they have an entire back wall that is a wonderland of woodland goodness and then a silver and snow collection. So let's start over with the gingerbread. So let's start up here with the largest piece in their collection. It is $30 with all kinds of holiday text on it. A little nutcracker, some bells, and a bit of glitter. And then for $15 they did a little Santa Please Stop Here arrow. I had to take this one down to show you guys. It's gorgeous for $32.99. It's a red metal sled with 2 ceramic pieces, perfect for serving maybe chips and dip. It has the smaller piece on top and then the larger piece that says Share Some Merry. They have some very tall candy cane cone trees, and for $50 another one of the large items, the North Pole Express Post mailbox. 2 of my favorite pieces are these little standing easels. They are $19 a piece and come in 2 versions so far. Love the gingerbread one. And then they did the crates again. So they've been doing this for every collection each season. So far I'm finding it in a red and a white version and they are $30 a piece. On top they have all kinds of candy cane trees. They also did a hot cocoa sign over there. We'll get to that in a minute. And then down here they're doing some mugs that are $7 a piece. I'm finding it in Santa and the Snowman. And this super cute little sign, it is $15. Warm up hot chocolate bar, and for $25 they did a Santa baking some gingerbread. So it turns out I'm too vertically challenged to reach that hot cocoa sign. It is the same one they put out last year. And then down here for $8 they have a couple of cookie plates. 'Twas the Bite Before Christmas and Oh Christmas Treats. Then over here they have 2 little ceramic creamers. I think they're really adorable. Look just like cartons of milk. Down here for $15 they have some really nice, very vintage looking jars in Santa and the Snowman. And then next to that for $13 an Oh Snap boxed sign. For $30 they have a Candy Cane Lane arrow sign. All those candy cane stripes, so cute. Also for $30 they have a white felted Merry Christmas pillow with some needlework. And then down below they have a very tall standing Santa. He is $69.99 and he's in his PJs eating some gingerbread cookies. Now we'll move over to this section. So I can't reach what's up on top, but I want to show you guys the gingerbread people are $8, and then they have 2 gorgeous gingerbread houses that are $20 a piece. And just for vacation, they have a little trailer for $15. Down below those, they have some Mason style jars. Those are $9 a piece and come in 2 versions. And then they also have 2 versions of this sign. It is $13, and baby, it's cold outside and it's not Christmas without cookies. They also have 2 versions of this little sign for $5 a piece. Down here they have some ceramic bowls in Santa and a snowman with some feet on them for $25. The white one says Happy Holidays and the red one says La 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 La. For $70 they did an Advent gingerbread house countdown. I remember in the last few years things like those being $99, so it's nice to see it right at $70. I love the top on it. For $20 they have some really cute little ladders. So it comes in the red, the candy cane stripe, and the wood. Next to that they have their wreath for this collection. It is $59.99 with a candy cane striped bow. Lots of ornaments on that one. And last but not least, they have a really cute Santa Stop Here candy cane striped sign. Now let's head over to the vintage aisle. Alright, let's take a look at what they have over here. We'll start over here with the window and Santa inside. It does say ho ho ho, very lightweight, and this one is $39.99. For $20 they have a chalkboard style Sleep Still Christmas countdown with Santa as the counter. Next to that for $30 they did a large Merry Christmas ornament, and all of those letters are done in glitter. For $20 they have a really cute gnome house countdown. Now this one isn't super large, it's nice, and I'd say probably a medium size. I love the little houses on this. The houses seem to be everywhere this year. For $15 they did some wooden ornaments, so this one in jingle bells on white, and they also did a happy holidays. I love the shape on that one in red. And then down here for $12.99 they have the December 25th mini pillows. For $50 they have a really pretty red sled. I love the white detail along the bottom. They also have quite a few snow globes. These are $30 a piece and come in the toy soldier, the snowman, and the gnome. And then down here they have the soap dispensers in Santa, the gnome, and the snowman, and those are $9.99 a piece. For $20 they have some really cute reindeer in a boy and girl, all dressed up and ready to help. And that's good because Santa's next to them, and he is $18, and he's a shelf sitter with some beaded legs. And for $25 they have some gorgeous red and white nutcrackers in 3 different versions. For $20 and $15 they have some yarn style Christmas trees. And then down here, oh my gosh you guys, they have some reindeer that are so cute. They are $17 a piece and come in the sitting and the standing. Next to the reindeer for $15 they have a beaded joy sign, and then a faux book that is so cute. So this one is $10. That's what the binding looks like, and on the front it has Santa Claus. For $12 and $30 they have a couple of wooden house pieces. This one with all kinds of text, and this one is a countdown. Up here for $13 they have some vintage looking bottle brush trees, and the smaller ones are $8. For $30 they have a Santa and his reindeer pillow. Then they have a latch hook Santa that is $40. I've seen him in the last few years. There's a pole in front of me. Let me get on the other side to show you guys the other pillows, unless you want to see the fire extinguisher. So over here they've got more pillows. They have the gnome with a sweater knit cap, and he is $40. Same price on this gorgeous red and white snowflake pillow. For $20 they have a Santa countdown, and then for $15 they have 3 different boxed signs with shelf sitters. They have a snowman, and down here it comes in the gnome and in Santa. For $12 they have some really good sized shelf sitters in a snowman, a Santa, and the gnome. So that's pretty much what we're seeing everywhere this year. They also have the gnome countdown for $20, and then some faux gifts, the smaller for $15 and the larger ones for $20. Up top they have some really simple but cute yarn trees for $10 and $15, and I pulled this piece down. It's $20 to show you guys. I think it is so cute. Just a wooden round with a snowflake, but I love the detail on it. For $30 they did this really cute red Christmas wagon. It is ceramic, and I love that Santa in it. And then next to that for $20 they did some Santa's boots. And for $60 they did a stacked Advent tree countdown. I love some of the pictures on this one. We've got a little gingerbread girl there and Mrs. Claus on $22. And just below these shelf sitters they've got the larger version, so that must be where Santa came from. It also comes in the gnome and the snowman, and those are the larger shelf sitters. And for $20 they have some dancing snowman, Santa, and the gnome. And from $20 all the way down to $10 they have some candy cane bottle brush trees. Next to that a very glittery standing Santa countdown for $40. And for $13 they did 3 different wooden candy canes. And for $25, they did a really cute metal mailbox with this collection. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me to Michael's to see what they're putting out for Christmas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.